Hello, my name is Shini Ramanan. My metric number is 279666. Today, my friend and I like to talk and share one interesting topic to you all. That is science and nature. Before I share my viewpoint, I like to share a short video about you and nature. Firstly, I like to talk about the weather. There are many different kinds of weather. In the world, we have a lot of weather. You never know what the weather will be like. You can have all 4 seasons in one day. The weather can change quickly and unpredictably. It can be sunny and 30 minutes later it will be started raining or snowing. At first, I like to talk about cold weather. It's a bit chilly. This means that it's a little cold. Autumn mornings are often chilly. In chilly weather, you may want a little jacket, but you know you need a heavy coat or a scarf or anything like that. What if it's very cold? You could say that it's a freezing. You can't see your breath. Freezing means it's very cold. Normally, in North Canada, the winter is freezing all time. Secondly, I like to share and talk about rain. Did you like rain? Of course, I also like rain. For example, when we leave the house, it's drizzling at the moment. Drizzling means that it is raining lightly, but not heavily. Drizzling is so light that it looks like mist. We can also say that is only spitting. Spitting is even though lighter than drizzling. It means that a few raindrops are falling, but it's not really raining. Before it rains, it may start spitting, drizzling, and then get heavier. For example, if suddenly the heaven was open, this means that it start raining heavily. This type of rain that people find difficult to drive and walking in the road. Now, let's talk about bad weather. It's very overcast and dark overhead. To say that it's a very overcast means that the clouds are covering the sky. You cannot see the sun also. And is it a dark overhead? You can say that the cloud is very dark. This means most likely this is because it is raining or going to raining soon. See how horrible and dangerous it is. Okay, there is a storm brewing. This means that you think a storm will start soon. If you want to sure that there is going to be storm, you can see it in the sky. And then you will see the lightning. Lightning is a large electric flash of light, and after the lightning you will hear the thunder. Thunder is the noise that you can hear caused by lightning. Usually you will hear thunder after you see the lightning. When the storm was start, the wind will pick up soon. It almost gale. The wind will pick up when the wind becomes stronger. A gale is a very strong wind which can be dangerous to all. Next, let's talk about hot weather. For example, you walk outside, there a cloud in the sky is baking hot. This means this is very hot. That means there is no wind at all. We also can say that it is a scorcher today. This is also mean that it's extremely hot today. For example, in Australia, most days in the summer could be described as scorcher. Another way to say today is very hot is boiling. So, if the temperature is very hot, we can say that it's a baking hot, boiling, or scorcher. Next, weather forecast. The weather forecast is the prediction for the next day or week of what the weather will be like. For example, the weather forecast tell you or let you know that tomorrow it will begin with a bit of frost on the ground and it will be sleeting. After that, in the afternoon there will be a flurry of snow, but then it will turn into a blizzard by the evening. The snow on the floor will turn into slush. It will be below freezing for most of the day. That means it will begin with a bit of frost on the ground. Frost are ice crystal on the frozen surface. When it's freezing, the ground may be covering by the frost. For example, usually winter in UK is a very frosty mornings and it will be sleeting. Sleet is the rain and snow mixed together. Sleet happen when snow is melt has its falls. That's only about weather. To make this video more interesting, I would like to share one story to you all which related with science and nature. Let's go. Hello, my name is Grizzly. I am a teeny water drop. The sun is eating me up. I'm getting smaller and smaller. I'm going up into the cloud. Yahoo! Look at them. They look just like me. It is really cool here. I like this place. Hey, look at me. I'm getting bigger and bigger. Oh no, I'm too big and heavy. I'm falling from the sky. Where am I now? Oh, I am in a river. My friends are falling on the ground. They are seeping into the ground. Now this river is moving fast. Oh no, a waterfall. What is this place? Oh, I am begin clean. It's dark in here. Where I am going now? Oh, wow, here I am again. That is a short story which related with science and nature. Now I would like to pass to my friend Bunga Nurul Hidayah.
Hi everyone, my name is Bunga Nurul Hidayah with metric number 276441. Well, in this video, I will share about a cute animal from Australia which is called the happiest animal, quokka. Hopefully, this video can add to our knowledge about the animal. Everyone know quokka? Quokka is a small herbivorous animal the size of a cat. This animal known for the smile that is always visible on the face. This nocturnal animal is also called the happiest animal in the world. First discovered quokka on a small island called the Rottnest Island in Australia. When he first saw quokka, William thought of him as a big mouse. Quokka come from the same family as kangaroos, Macropodidae, and they live on several small islands in Australia, such as Rottnest Island and Brand Island. They can live up to 10 years. Unlike most other wildlife, the quokka is not afraid of humans, although it can be called an aggressive animal. He is more approachable and friendly to humans, even in some photos. Quokka can be seen smiling and taking selfies with humans in front of the camera. This might seem like a fun thing to do, but the state has rules for this endangered animal. As a rule, anyone caught touching or feeding a quokka will be fined up to $300 Australian. This because these animals are very sensitive to smell, touch, and food. Quokka might look cute, tiny, and have unique faces that are always smiling, but underneath those smiles, they are quite tenacious creatures. Quokka are known to be willing to sacrifice the children to survive. When threatened by a larger animal, instead of protecting her cubs, the mother quokka runs away and leaves her cubs as bait for other animals. The quokka often abandon their babies, preferring to give birth to more babies.